And yame penny so I'm a meme one ya pe wa bomb demo back up ya no na ema me yefe.
Mere free question na maka bibi manso bedi anua yefo ahemam wasase so mafrobia abusiafo so na kuma wo fase momra yento nsani di ye no ye ho Apɔnkye Is A Goat features Ayisi. It's a concept about keeping true to yourself, sticking to the script, not changing, not losing your ways, building until it is time to reap. Calling on my family, calling on all friends, all acquaintances to build this thing together. It's about us. Once again, it's about us. It's a community building, bringing all the people together, sticking to the script, building it from home, and not changing or losing your way. Say, yeah, baby, it talks about, it preaches the concept of building everything from scratch, from home, made in Africa for Africa, and all the beautiful things that can happen to us as a people if we believe in ourselves, if we build from here, and if we build here. So Apɔnkye Is A Goat, Apɔnkye Aswadin. So I'm a swan if you don't keep it going, if you don't keep pushing, Apɔnkye Aswadin. If they are swallowing the piece, I could say, I'm running best one getting every people. Now it's me, Eddie Queen.